Hey, it's your boy the Crypto Goon back with another one. And shout out to all my crypto goons for pulling up once again. How can crypto replace your full-time job? Now, I like to give people solutions. The reason being, the majority of people are down because this is technically a bear market in cryptocurrency. And there are no solutions out here in the marketplace or, on YouTube to actually help people get some sort of understanding and help people, no matter what the market condition is, make some type of money. So what we're looking at right now is the Beck Network. Now, this is a trade that we took. We actually shorted the market on the Beck Network. And this particular trade pulled in about $10,000. So I could size this up for you to see it. And the average person does not have a crypto business or what I call a self-sustaining business. Okay. So what I'm trying to teach you all over here on this channel is how to create a self-sustaining crypto business. The average person does not have $10,000 to purchase a coin at one time. Now, maybe over time, you get paid your paycheck, you put $500 in every month or every 2 weeks. And then, of course, over the course of time, you've put in $10,000. But there's a better way to do this. There's there's a much easier and just an all around better way to get this done without having to use your active income that you're currently using from your job or however you make your money, your business. And this is something that is very lucrative, and it can be done in a bull and a bear market. It really does not matter. Okay, so in the instance of the Beck Network, this thing is going to make the same patterns over and over. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's a bear market. It doesn't matter if it's a bull market. And doing it this way is a lot better than just being down in your wallet and hoping and praying that the market goes up so that your wallet returns to break even or into some profit. Okay. Now, although the cycle is broken, crypto is still cyclical. There are still cycles in every market, business cycles, there's seasonal cycles. And what happens is they start to adjust. They start to slightly change and shift depending on the players that are entering the market. And no matter where the cycle is, you can take advantage of it, whether it's upside or downside. And essentially what we do, we pull money out of the market, out of the crypto futures market, and we place it into coins. So that way we don't have to use our active income to do so. So if you're at all interested in learning, you can head over to thecryptogoon.com. I have a free Telegram group. I have a Discord. I have a course that, everybody asks for this. And you can also hit me up for one-on-one. And currently the course is $100. I'm going to raise the price in the future. I just haven't done so as of yet. Now, back to this. Okay, these things make the same patterns over and over and have been doing so for the past 2 years. Now, they were doing this before the legislation was introduced. We had legislation introduced, and now they become a lot more apparent and a lot easier to actually trade and capitalize on. Now, we still have the Clarity Act coming. I think that, again, it will make these things a lot easier to move. But this is something that a lot of people aren't taking advantage of. We see this in the stock market. When you look at the stock market on YouTube and on Instagram, people that trade, you'll see them say, hey, we'll take the money from options and we'll buy ETFs. And you're able to build your portfolio a lot larger and a lot faster than just saying, okay, my 9-to-5 job, I'm putting money in the 401k, and then I'm putting money into, my favorite coins, whether it's Bitcoin, XRP, things like that. It's going to take you a lot longer to get to whatever your goal is. The average person will work for, what is it? I'm not sure. They'll work for 30 or 40 years just to have $1 million. Now, don't get it twisted. $1 million is great, right? But you'll have $1 million in your 401k, and you've worked 30 to 40 years just to make $1 million. When you can do that a lot faster. Now, nothing is guaranteed ever, but there's a better and a faster way to do it. People that reach $1 million status normally have, or reach it faster, normally have a job and a business. you'll get there a lot faster because you have two incomes versus one income being split multiple ways with your bills and all these other things. It makes it a lot harder and it takes longer to reach whether you want early retirement, whether you want to be able to invest in other assets, buy homes to flip, which I do real estate. I flip homes here and there. Whether you want to, be able to take a vacation once a month. I go on vacation once a month. Okay. Whether you want to own exotic cars, I own exotic cars. I also have alternative assets. So, if you look back here, this side in that box, that's a watch box. Okay. It has hundreds of thousands of dollars of watches in it. Okay. So if you want to be able to do those type of things, you got to think differently. And cryptocurrency is a once in a lifetime opportunity. I kind of liken this to the .com era, right? So we see it going on with AI, but there's also an opportunity in crypto as well. And at one point, this opportunity was in the Forex market, but Forex is highly, highly, highly manipulated, And it makes it a lot harder to trade. That's why people think that Forex is a scam or it's almost impossible to make money over there. There's money over there, but the people over there that make money are really, really good. They're really, really good. Okay, I started out in Forex in 2011, and I lost money for, 13, 14 years over there. But I built that skill set, and it allowed me to bring it over here, and it's 10 times easier. Because this market isn't as manipulated. Now, this market does get manipulated. Don't get that twisted. BlackRock and some of these exchanges that keep selling and buying like Bitcoin, for example, and it pushes the market down. And then you have some of these whales, that have insider information. So there is manipulation there, but there's once that manipulation completes, it creates a pattern. Okay, and that pattern, you can use it to take advantage of. And really, in the crypto futures market, you don't need all of these candles. This is overkill. But I'm what you consider moderate. Really only need 1 to 2 candles, and you out. And it can supplement what you're doing. We complete a trade, take the money, and then if you like XRP, you buy XRP with it because the money's already in the wallet. You just swap it and you just buy whatever cryptocurrency that you're interested in. Okay. So all in all, it's a smarter way to do this. This way is a lot smarter. I was just like everybody watching, because I have a real estate license, and then I'm licensed in 4 states, and I also have multiple YouTube channels. So that is still considered active income. I would take that money and buy coins. But it wasn't loading up fast enough. Now, don't get it twisted. I make a lot of money in real estate, a lot of money. Okay, those checks are huge, 25, 30K. But it still wasn't the type of gains and as fast as I wanted to make this, right? So like this is a back trade right here took, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It took 7 days. Okay. Now, generally, I'll take multiple. So I may take like 2 at a time, or I may be in three within a week. And then, it's boom, 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 boom. And that may print out like there was another trade that I did that was like 14K within like 7 to 8 days. So I don't need to take that money out of the market and pay my bills. It's like I can just take that money and just throw it straight into Ethereum, throw it straight into Bitcoin, throw it straight into XRP, XLM, Zebek Network. Whatever coins that I'm interested in, the AI space, the real world asset space. I have a list of them that I really like that I consistently buy. It makes it so that I don't have to use my other income because I got bills, I got kids, I got health insurance, I got, I got car insurance, I got multiple exotic cars that are always in the shop that need maintenance. I got, my wife likes handbags. Like it's a bunch of other shit that my other income can pay for without me having to do this. It's almost like a tug of war. It's like, dang, my paycheck only this much, but I want to invest over here or I want to make money over here, but then I got to pay all this stuff. And it's a smarter way to do it. Okay. So once I figured this out, it's like, okay, this is 10 times easy. It's 10 times easier than struggling to work and then pay bills. And then like it relieves a lot of the headache. So I just wanted to just talk about this because nobody is talking about it. There are no solutions for this bear market to help anyone out there. Nobody is talking about it. I'm the only one talking about it. Everybody else is on here and they're talking about oh, these partnerships and that partnership, and this person is saying that, oh, XRP is going to do this, and the price continues to go down, and you're not making any money from it. You're stuck in an echo chamber that is not paying you any money. You're not going to make money off of Bank of America or BlackRock saying that they're interested in doing business with Ripple, and then the price continues to go down and your wallet continues to lose money. There's a better way to do it and a smarter way to do it. And if you're at all interested, again, I got a free Telegram group. You can watch some of my other videos. Again, head over to thecryptogoon.com. Pick your poison, however you want to learn this thing. But again, it is out there, and the majority of people are not taking advantage of it. It is a very smart way to do it. But again, it's the Crypto Goon, number one, never the two. Shout out to all my goons. Crypto Goon out.